install the optional drain cup kit, the first step is to determine where the grease is going to be expelled. On a Hoffman 732 blower that is right in the front of the bearing cap on the bottom here, you will find that this location will be very similar on all other blowers. Once you have determined the location that the grease cup will be installed in, it may be necessary to use some of the adapter fittings in the kit to adapt the cup to your machine. Whenever you install these fittings, be sure to apply thread sealant to all of the threads. Once you have installed the appropriate fittings to adapt the drain cup to your blower, you may apply thread sealant to the threads of the grease cup and simply thread it into the adapter fittings. The preferred orientation of the grease cup is to be vertical, as shown, and that is it. You now have installed a grease cup on the outlet end of one machine.